Everyone, hope you are doing well. In last video we were working on this website. We created this website in Dreamweaver. Now today I'm going to tell you how to use Dreamweaver templates that can save your time by one click and save into many pages. Then we'll make this banner animated and we'll also make this section animated. Let's start with the Dreamweaver template for now. So in order to have Dreamweaver template, I'm picking my same design that we created in previous video. We are here now. All right. So what I want to do, I want this page, this particular page to work as a template. So I want to make it a template. So what I do, I go here, insert, and then I go here in templates. Where is the template object? Yeah, template object is there, and click on make template. This document can't be saved as a template. Why? Let me try it again. Okay, this is here, make template. This document cannot be saved as template. Why? This is crazy. So I'm opening it again, insert, make template. All right. So as you can see, save as a template dialog box has come, and I can give any name to it. I'm giving here master. Okay, so this is, I'm doing save. Watch this section right now. CSS images JS is here, so I'm clicking on save. Update links. No, I don't want to update links. This is asking me if I want to update links in all the pages which are using this template. Right now no page is using this template, so I'm not going to do anything. Okay, so I say no, and template is created here. Okay, so template is here, and this thing is using image is now looking like a placeholder. I am deleting this about and contact us page for now, or let us keep it as is. Okay, let us delete it, or let me rename it. So what I do, I go here and click on rename. I usually add underscore so that all the rename sites appear on top, and I'm saying don't update because I don't want it to be the part of website, so I'm clicking on not to update it. This is the don't update. Now template is here. Okay, this guy is a template, this guy is a template, master TWT, and you can see here master TWT is here, DWT is here, right? So in this template, whatever I write here, that will go everywhere. Let me create one page, HTML, and this is using HTML5 create. So I want my template design to be applied on this page. Okay, so I go here, insert, go here in template object, and I can say here apply template. It's not there. Oh no, sorry. It is here. Apply template to a page. This master template. Select. I want it to be applied here. Okay. You must match each unmatched region before name to a new region. Okay, fine. That is fine with me. This is this. We are used for all. Okay. So this is applied here. I can go here, but first of all I need to save its name, giving my okay, test.html. So it's here. All right, it is here. So test.html, with one click I applied template on it, but there's one problem. I cannot edit this section. I cannot edit. See, this permission is not. Can you see here the mouse cursor, this one? That means I cannot edit anything. So this is wrong. I want to edit my page. I just want to keep the design, but I want to edit my pages. So what I do, I go to my template, which is master.dwt. dwt stands for dream beaver template. Now what I am doing, I want this section to be editable. So this whole section to be editable, and this thing is there in TD. So that means entire TD I want it to be editable. I go here, right click on it, select templates and click on a new editable region. The shortcut is Ctrl Alt V. I am giving it one name, body section, or let's say section body. Okay, so this thing I clicked, section body is there. I'm saving it, save, and it is asking me that if I want to update my template changes to all the pages which are using this thing. So I am selecting test, because in the test.html only I applied this template. So I click on update, say entire site or selected files, or I'm saying entire site, and I'm clicking on start. This is done, and this star, as you can see here, test.html is now having star. So section is applied here, and I can say here my test page is changed. Okay, I can also go here and refresh my page. My test page is changed. Now let us create few more pages here to give you a better idea what templates are using for. I am giving some random names. Let's say let's say a.html. Okay, and I am selecting one more thing. Let's say saving b.html. Now a.html and b.html are empty files. This is my a.html, this is my b.html. Now where will we go? We go here, modify templates, apply template to a page, master template. You can also create more than one template, but that's your choice. For this video I am using master template only. If you want to create another template, you can also create another template. So once you have more than one templates, you will see list of all the templates here, saying use it for your. Okay, this is nowhere or section value applied here. This applied here. Now notice it will always pick the default data which is entered into the template. So I can change here, this is my page A, and I can also go here b.html, go to modify template, apply template, master, select this one, nowhere. Okay, and this is my page B, save it, and this is also saved. I click on preview in Chrome, and this is my page A, and this is my page B. Okay, so now imagine if you want to link this page A and test file and page B here in the navigation bar. In previous video what we did, we already assigned links and created duplicate files, but now we have not done that, but we can use the power of template this time. So I go here, this is my table. It's all, as you can see here, this is my table. I can right click here, table, and what I can do, I can click on insert column. One column has been inserted, and go here and insert column. Another column has been inserted. Go here and insert column. Another column has been inserted. Okay, so I'm giving here page A, page B, and page test. See, test.html, a.html, b.html. This is page a.html. This is page B, b.html, and this is page test, test.html. Okay, now I'm saving my template. Control S or go here, save, and it is asking me that if I want to update the links. So I select here this update. Entire site start. Entire site is updated with one click. That is the beauty of template. I go here, refresh, and see. This is about.html is not there because I did not update the link for about. I updated the link for page B only. Page B is there, page test is there, this is here. Contact.html also. Remember, we changed the name of about and contact, so that is why this is coming blank. But this is not looking beautiful. What is wrong? Do you want to reload it? Okay, yes, I want to reload it. I want to reload it. Okay. The file has been made outside of the Dreamweaver. No, we have not done it. So what I'm doing, I'm closing it, and this contact.html, I want to update it, but I want to remove the link here first, or let us make another files for contact, or this one, delete it. Go here, delete. Contact.html and about.html were missing it, so I go here and selecting HTML5, contact.html. This time I want to use everything to use my template, so I deleted my files, and this one, about.html. Let's say about, because save as type is by default HTML. So I go here, modify, apply template to the page. This is applied, and likewise for about. Go here, sorry, contact. Go here, modify, apply template to the page. This is applied. So if I go here and click here, this about is back, contact is back, but these are not uniform here. These three are in same width, these three are not in same width. So what is the problem? The problem can be seen here. See, 33%. Now we have 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what you do? You do calculation with calculation, and 100% is there. 100 divided by 6, this is 16.66%. So what you do, 16%, say 16% for each one, 16%, 16. Okay, if you want to go into the code, you can also go here, 16, copy paste. All set, update entire site, done. Control S, save, go here and see, all are now in same width. So this is done. Now I want to make this thing to scroll up. Okay, these files are not saved. As you can see, star is here. So what I'm clicking on, yes, saved, and star is here. This is star, this is star, so that means these files are not saved. I can go here, file, and save all. In one shot itself I saved everything. Okay, so I want to make this section to move up. So there is a tag called Marquee. However, Marquee tag is obsolete now, but for sake of this session, I am telling you that the power of Marquee. Now the same thing is achieved with CSS based Marquee using CSS transitions, and alternatively you can also use JavaScript to give a look of Marquee. But for now, let us talk about what Marquee was. These are not used. Marquee is obsolete now. I am going to tell you why it is obsolete. But first of all, let us understand. Marquee direction is equal to, there are four directions: top, left, right, and up. By the name itself, I hope it is clear. So I am selecting up, and there are two more things: scroll amount and scroll delay. You can play with these values by entering. For now I am saying 5 and that's it. And Marquee tag I am closing, saving it. I want to update in all the files which are using my template, and this is done. Start, close, go here, refresh my page, and you see this is keep on moving. In many websites you must have seen that when mouse is moved here, this section stops, and when mouse is moved out, this section start moving. So that is also very simple. It keep on asking me that the file has been changed outside the driver. I don't know why it is doing. So I click on save all so that it don't ask me again. Okay, so this thing on mouse over is equal to this dot stop. Simple thing. On mouse over is equal to this dot stop. On mouse out is equal to this dot start. Saving it, updating everything, all the files, start, and done. I'm saying save all. Okay, go here, refresh my page, and see I moved my mouse on and it stopped. I move my mouse out, it start moving again. Go here, stop, move again, stop, move again. So this is how Marquee is working. I have already opened the pages for Marquee. This is Mozilla developer website, developer.mozilla.org. It is clearly mentioned the Marquee element is obsolete, but still many browsers are using it. It was first used for Internet Explorer, and Internet Explorer still support it. And Wikipedia page also says that the Marquee page is about Marquee element, and it has been mentioned here that the Marquee element was first invented for Microsoft Internet Explorer and still supported by these browsers. Why this is obsolete? This is the reason. This is non-compliant HTML. This element is not compliant with HTML. Now we have HTML5, so this is not as per its compliance, so that is why this thing has become obsolete. I leave it on you to explore more about Marquee and list of tags which are obsolete now and why those tags has become obsolete. So the best site for this is W3C consortium. You Google w3c.org, or let me tell you w3c.org. This is the website for website by W3C consortiums. So you will get all the updates about HTML, CSS, and what all tags has become obsolete, why they have become obsolete, and what tags are required to make your web page as per W3C standards, and so on. Alright, so let's go back here to my website. This was it. I want to make this section animated. This is a banner. Alright, so I want to make it animated. For that I have already created few banners, and these I created here. Let me refresh my page so that all the banners are loaded. So b1 b2 b3 b4, these are the banners I created. For now, let me go here. This is my banner and I am saying here b1 b1.jpg. Okay, so b1.jpg is there. Update entire site I am updating, and all the pages I have to save all. You can also close all these things because every time I have to click on save all, because these pages don't get updated automatically because these are open. So if the pages are not open here, they will get updated here itself. Okay, so this is there and this banner is applied here. I want to move it so that it looks like a slider. For that, what I did, there is a site called dynamicdrive.com. You will get many scripts ready made here. What you have to do, you just have to read the document, understand how it is working and use into your code. That's it. And what I googled here, dynamic drive fade show for this video. So fade show is a script for moving banner, and this how it is used. This is ultimate fade slideshow is here. So what this will look like this will look like this. You can also add your text here into the banner. All right, so what these guys are saying, simply add the below code into the head section. So I go here, select it and adding into my, but don't do it blindly because you might have to change something. For now I am selecting as they are saying and go here and add into the head section. This is my head section. It is added into the head section. Okay, and also these are guys are saying that I need to save this JavaScript file. So I go here, click on it, Control S, and my file was saved on this. My site is on desktop. So I go here, select my JS folder and fade slideshow.js. I am saving it here. This is saved. Okay, now where I want to display this template, I just have to use this thing. Okay, so let us see what these guys have done. This fade show gallery, fade show 4, this is ID in HTML, in CSS. In CSS, if you want anything to be ID, use hash, and if you want anything to be class, use dot. I'm going to tell you how these things work, but for now just understand that hash is for ID. All right, so fade slideshow.js path is here, but I saved my fade show slideshow.js here in JS folder. So first thing, I'm going to change the path here so that it picks from the correct location. The next thing is there, my gallery new fade show, my gallery 4, but I'm going to use only one gallery. These guys have used more than one example here, so that is why they just simply entered this code. But I'm going to be a software developer, so I have to be very careful if I am using some code. So I'm deleting it. For now I'm deleting it. And these images, these are the path of images. My images are here in images. So I click here, go here, images b1.jpg, images b2.jpg and b3.jpg. 3.jpg and B 4.jpg. This is b4.jpg. This is JavaScript code. Once you learn JavaScript, you will be able to understand it easily. For now, just use this code as is, but with little changes. Now dimensions are there, 250 by 180. And what are the dimensions of our banner? It is 1000 by 328. So I go here into the code section, and 1000 by what was the height? It is 328. 328. This is height, this is this, and these are some other properties of it. You can learn about all these properties here underneath, that what is this for, what is wrapper ID is for, and so on. Okay, this thing is there, and I'm saving it. What is the ID here? Failed slideshow. Let us change the ID. I'm saying here my banner. Okay, so that you know that you can also change the ID. You don't need to use it as is, and that's it. I don't need this as well. Okay, I can remove it because that code is nowhere in my page. And this is my banner. Saving it, updating entire site. It's taking a while. Okay, done. Now go here to my website. This is there, and it's saying that div id my banner is not found on the page, because we just said in our JavaScript that my banner is an ID, and this all these images have to play in my banner. Now my banner ID is not into the page, so that is why there was an error. So what I do, this is my banner section, this is my banner TD. I am going to delete image from here. This is my image. I am going to delete it from here, and I am going to use div id is equal to my banner, and that's it. Control save, update entire site, and refreshing my page. Now wait a while, see if it works. See, it's working. It keep on changing the images. You can Photoshop these images, add some text onto these images, and so on. And now your website looks like this. Your news is moving here, images are changing, and you have also learned how to use Dreamweaver template. With one click you can change entire site, and that is very easy. So that is all for this session. If you have any questions or concerns, you can ask in comment box, and I will try my best to answer your concerns as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Good luck. Happy learning.